Hi guys, this is your response to your live lessons that you had this morning. This is your maths live response. Yeah, it's good to hear that everyone in the class is able to, has got a good understanding of area. It was nice to hear that some, or see on Tapestry that some of you have been linking area to perimeter as well. And that's what we did earlier on in the autumn term. So it was really good to see that you've been able to link the two together. I think with area, it's, I think a lot of you are finding it fairly straightforward. You are counting squares within a shape very well. I think you've all understood the fundamentals of area, meaning it is the inside of a 2D shape. So the area of this book would be just here. So I do think you've done really well, and we spoke about how next week we're only doing area for this week. So we've got one more lesson on Monday on area, but then the rest of the week we're moving on to fractions. And I did explain that a little bit of fractions. We did maybe a little bit of pre-teaching on that in the sense of what a fraction is and how it's made up. So for example, just remember I sort of had this sheet of paper or an envelope which I had here as one whole, and then a fraction, how to explain a fraction. I decided to rip this piece of paper in half. So now this one whole has now two parts, okay? And this is one part of a whole. Okay, so I've got two parts that make up one whole, and that's basically what a fraction is. And if we were to write this down, one part would be our numerator, so we'd put 1 at the top, and then we draw a line underneath, and the denominator, which is the bottom number of a fraction, would be the whole part. So our fraction would look like that. 1/2. Can you see that? There we are. So I explained that a little bit with you guys, and hopefully next week you find it okay. But no, it was good to hear that area is that you're finding area okay. So have a good weekend, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.